So to the project number two is SOS distress signal. So good morning everyone. So please read the line, Sultan.
Let's build a Morse code generator with the circuit we built in Lesson 1. Morse code is a method of transmitting text information as a series of on-off tones, lights, or clicks. We can use a slow blink and quick blink of the LED instead of dots and dashes to indicate letters of the alphabet. For example, SOS according to Morse code, S is represented with three dots which we can represent with a slow blink, while O is represented with three dashes, which we can represent with a quick blink.
So we have a sample code to this Morse code. Int LED pin, the N10 for the pinning, then void setup for the pin mode, LED pin output. Then we have a void loop. So to create the letter S, the Morse code, we need the three dots. So I put the digital LED pin high, then digital right LED pin low for 0.1, then digital right LED pin high delay like the other one for the delay for the dots, then 0.5 then 0.1, then digital right LED pin high 0.1, and the delay is 0.12. Then the Morse code of the O is the 3 blink, then digital LED pin high for the delay is 0.4, digital LED pin low for 0.1. Then to the S is the same what I explained to the Morse code of the number of S. Then we have a sample code 2 again. Then the code is the first part of the two sketches are identical. We have initialized variable to configure the digital pin to carry out the output signal. The main code loop, you can find the line similar to the last project. Turn LED on and off. The difference here is the main code contains three independent of statement. So to the first block, to the output three dots, so we have a digital LED pin. The fourth statement is it repeat the blocks of statement enclosed to the bracket, an increment counter used to increment terminate the loop. For the useful in any repetitive operation and is often used to combination with array operate collection of data pins. So please read the Basgugin the step 1 to step 6.
Step 1. Initialize value of variable x as 0. Step 2. Evaluate if x is less than 3. Step 3. If it is valid, execute the following statement. Step 4. X increases and becomes 2. Step 5. Repeat step 2. Now x is equals to 2. Evaluate if it is less than 3. Step 6. Repeat step number 3.
So until the x is equal to 0, the condition of the x less than 3 is not valid, then the program skips over the code. We set the x and less than 3 to have it repeat 3 times, calculating from 0 to 2 repeats 3 times. If we want it to repeat 100 times, we can use the following code for int x equals 0, then semicolon, then x less than 100, semicolon x increment, then close parentheses. Some comparison operator like less than and greater than are frequently used for programming conditional statement. They will covered in more detail in the next section. So please read the common operator that you might use, Jason.
Less than ba to greater than?
Less than boy.
Less than is an example of comparison operator. Comparison operators allowed Arduino to compare two values. Below are some more examples of frequently used comparison operators. Equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. Beware of accidentally using single equal signs. The single equals sign is the assignment operator and set x to 10. Put the value 10 into the variable x. A double equal sign is comparison operator instead. Also be careful that there is no space between less than or greater than. You can also use arithmetic operators such as plus, minus, and slash.
Oh, so that's the explanation. The single equals sign is the as a segment operator of the set x to put 10. So now you should know how the loop operates. There are three for loops in the code. The first for the loop repeats three times, and the long lasting flashing alternative three times, giving output of three dots representing the letter S in the Morse code. The second for the loop also repeats the three times, and the temporary flashing alternative three times, giving the output of three dashes representing the letter of O. Then that's all for the explanation of SOS Morse code. Okay na tol.